Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to find drafts on Instagram. If you enjoy planning your Instagram posts and stories in advance, writing posts beforehand is a useful method to make the most of any free time. Where to discover your Instagram drafts on Android is a frequently asked question regarding the subject. So how are we going to see that? How are we going to locate the drafts? Okay, so I'm gonna show you how. Let's just say you're going to post this picture, but then again, you decided not to. Let's just say you just enter a caption, but you decided not to post this one. So you have to go back and save this as a draft. So after saving this, the question is, where can you find it or can you see it anywhere here? The answer is you can't. As you can see, I cannot see my save draft here. So what are you going to do now is to tap this plus icon here. And once you tap this one, you will have options like reels, post, story highlight, so on. So if I'm going to tap post, then I'm going to select from gallery, photo, or video, and then tap the next arrow. So let's just say you're going to think of a caption and you are sure of posting this on Instagram. So you just have to tap next and then enter the caption here. But then again, you decided not to for some reason, so you have to save draft. Click the save draft. So when you go back, automatically you can see drafts here beside gallery. So when you tap this one, you can see the save draft here. As easy as that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in our next video.